Welcome back to today's video. Today I'm gonna show something very different. I don't know what are the chances of this, but I think it's gonna be a lot. Okay, guys, so I found seeds, like 4 seeds with the same nether spawn and the same blacksmith loads. If you want, you can take the seeds. This is the first one. Okay, number one. Wait. Here's the seed. Okay, now I'm going in. And remember to take a screenshot if you want, because everything is like the same without the overworld generation. Okay, let's go. Let's wait to hear a bit. If you want, you can skip this part. Yeah, so we are in. This is the first world. Okay. So in the first world, you spawn. There is one blacksmith in the front, two in the back. Okay, remember this. Okay. In the okay, we are gonna take the loot. Go out. Go to the other blacksmiths. I mind the lava. Okay. Don't mind that. The second blacksmith, take the loot. Here's the third blacksmith, and I'm taking the loot. Okay. Okay, there's another blacksmith here. Okay, one singular blacksmith. And we are also gonna take the loot from here too. Okay? Now, take a screenshot of this loot, okay? Okay, I'm gonna clear my inventory. Let's go. And here you will find the ruin portal. Okay? I'm gonna also take this loot. Take a screenshot. Okay? Now I'm gonna go inside. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna go inside. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, now we're in. Okay. Now, if we go here and in this hole, in this direction, there's a bastion. In this direction, if we go, there's a fortress. Okay? Remember this. Now, let's go from where we came. Wait. Was it? Okay, let me go into spectator. Here's the world. /game mode C. Now I'm gonna go again into spectator. Okay, wait it to load. And this is a long video. Please watch till the end, or just don't, okay, if you just don't wanna see it. Okay, I'm going down. Okay, let's go to the village first. Here, directly under the village, that's your stronghold. And here's the portal. Okay? Here's the portal. Every single thing in every single seed has a village, and under there's the portal. Okay? Okay, now get out of the first one. And here we got the second seed. Here's the second seed if you want. Okay, skip this part. I don't know what are the chances of this. Now, if we go, okay, here's the spawn. Okay. Remember, there was one blacksmith in the front and two in the back. One blacksmith in the front, two in the back. Okay. Let's go inside. Here's the chest, taking it. Going in the second one. Breaking the loot, taking it. Going out, and here's the third blacksmith. Okay, taking the loot. And let's go. And if we go, here's the fourth blacksmith. I'm gonna take this loot and everything is the same. Okay, I'll clear it. Okay, let's go. If we go up, there's the portal, the same as the other one. Okay, take the loot. Everything's the same. Okay, every single thing is the same. If you want, you can go. Okay, entering the Nether. Okay, just wait for a bit. And yeah, this is a chess channel, but this was, I play Minecraft, but this is so great I had to post it. Okay, here look, does something seem right? Yeah, that's the other another. Okay, if I go, yeah, you guys know what's here, like, yeah, in this direction, there's the bastion, this direction, here's another fortress. Okay, let's go back again. Okay. Okay, go up, going up, going up. Okay, here's the portal. Enter the portal. Go. And yep, now go into game mode spectator. Go down. What is this? Oh, this is the same thing, and it also has one eye, and the other one also had one eye, and this is directly under the village and the same stronghold. Just look, and like match it to the other one. Okay, go out from this world. Go to number 3. Okay, here's number 3. Here's the seed. Okay, let's go in number 3. What's number 3? Yeah, here's number 3. Skip it. And okay, there are no cuts in the video. Not a single cut. I'm not cutting any part. This is an uncut video with no edits. Okay, wait. Let it go. Let's work. You spawn here. Oh, on top of the blacksmith. Okay. Okay, here's the black. Okay, let's go back. We'll come back to this later. 1 in the front, 2 in the back. Okay, go inside. Take the chest. Go up. Go inside. Take the chest. Go up. Go here. Take the chest. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. Now as there's the blacksmith we spawned in. Go up here. Take the loot. Match it to the other ones. Okay, you matched it. /clear. Okay. Okay. Don't think anything about that loud noise. Okay. Don't think anything about that loud noise. My brothers are playing, So yeah, go go up. Here's that nether portal. Take it. Take the loot. Over here. Here's the loot. Match it. And this blacksmith has a crying obsidian right here. This is just one thing different, and nothing else is different. Go here. Enter. Wait for a bit. Okay. Find something similar. Oh, the same thing. Go down. Right here. Go, 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 go. This side, there's the bastion. Where's the bastion? Oh no, here's the bastion. And there we go on the other side. Um, there's the fortress. Go back. You know what's coming. Yeah. I don't think this video is getting popular. I put that fire here, okay? I don't think that this video is getting popular or something. Will it? I don't know. But I want it to get popular. This, I think, could be 1 in a trillion chance. 1 in a trillion. What am I saying? Yeah, it could be 1 in a trillion. Slash game mode spectator. Go down. The same thing. Match the strongholds. There is only one eye. Okay. And we are moving on to our 4th seed. Let's go. Here's the seed. I'm not giving any seeds in the description. You have to copy it from here. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But yeah. Go inside. Skip it. So yeah, I don't know how it happened. What's the pattern here? Every single seed is different here. You saw every single seed is different. There's no cuts in the video. I'm gonna put it cutless. Is that even a word? Okay, I don't know. Okay, you spawn here. There's the blacksmiths. 1 in the front, 2 in the back. We go down. Take 1. Okay, why am I eating the apple? Then we can go here and break this and take the other chest. Okay, okay. Now here's the other one. And yep. Now there's the last one there. Okay, where's the oh, there's that. Break the roof. Go in. Okay, take the loot. Match it. Okay, I'm gonna do slash clear. There's the portal. This one doesn't have the crying obsidian. Only the other one had. Okay. Now take this. Take this. Take this. Okay. Same thing. Go there. Oh, sorry. Build it. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Build it here. Go inside. Okay, going down, going down, going down. Okay, that is the same. Now, if we go here, there's that bastion. If we go in the other direction, and yeah, there's the fortress. And yep. Go up. Go up, go up, go up. Go here. Go to spectator mode. Slash game mode. Spectator. Go down. Okay, where's the village? Go down from the village. There's the same stronghold. Match it if you want, okay? The same thing. Okay, guys? I don't know what are the chances. I said it like a million times now. But, yeah. What? What am I gonna... Why? Like, why? Okay, guys. This was a little different. A little different video. If you want to subscribe, I don't think we are posting any Minecraft videos anymore, and it's in Minecraft Bedrock edition already. Just Minecraft Bedrock edition, Minecraft 1.20.60, the version I'm playing. Okay guys, bye, see you in another video.